Welcome to Affiliate Marketing Made Easy. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of affiliate marketing and how you can start making huge money online, no matter your age. Whether you're a student, a busy parent, or enjoying retirement, affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn money online. So, let's get started. First, what exactly is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, it's a performance-based way to earn money by promoting someone else's products or services. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. Commission rates can vary widely, from 5% for physical products to 50% for digital products. The more you promote, the more you can earn. Next, let's talk about choosing your niche. A niche is simply a specific area of interest. Think about what you're passionate about or what you have knowledge in. Popular niches include health, technology, travel, and finance. Pick a niche you love, and it will be much easier to create content and promote products. Now, it's time to find affiliate programs. There are tons of platforms out there. Some of the most popular ones include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale. Sign up for affiliate programs that fit your chosen niche. After that, you need to create content to share your affiliate links. You can write blog posts, make YouTube videos, or post on social media. The key is to provide value, teach your audience something, or solve their problems. Next, let's talk traffic. You need to attract visitors to your content. Use social media, search engine optimization, SEO, and even email marketing to drive traffic to your affiliate links. Building an audience is crucial. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, and create a community around your niche. Trust is essential in affiliate marketing. Lastly, track your success. Use analytics tools to see which links are performing well and adjust your strategy accordingly. This is all about learning and improving. Remember, affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. With dedication and effort, you can turn this into a significant income stream at any age. Ready to start? Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends. Let's get you started on your affiliate marketing journey.